Just thought I'd bring you a little video. Recovering from a surgery, and this is a few of my finds. That's latest case I've put together. There's the Mozark stuff that I really like that stuff. You don't see it much here in Indiana. They're glued in there. We'd take them out and look at them. That's a pin of some kind, a little bit broke. I'm gonna creep into this and show you a few things at a time. But appreciate your comments. Little flake knives. We're gonna go through a few things. It's just gonna take me some time. Thanks for watching.